Hi, I am Shoma, senior logo designer and co-founder of Likerrgraphicz. Now I am going to show you my previous live logo project which I created for a few months ago. So you can understand how to create a fully customized logo in Adobe Illustrator, and you can understand why Canva or any other online logo design tools are not perfect for a fully customized logo design which you want. So let's see. Hi, hope you enjoyed my work and understand the value of fully custom design. So, are you ready to trust myself? Are you ready to take a service from our talent team? If you are ready, then we will give you 200% and produce a stunning logo, business card, and a good responsive website which will represent your business value much more higher than your competitor. So hire us now. Thank you so much.